Talking away. I don't know what I'm to say, but I'll say it anyway. I don't even know the word to this song. Repeat after me. It better be safe than sorry. Take on me. Take on me. Take me on. Take on me. I'll be. Sorry, I have the hiccup. In a day or two. I don't know what I'm gonna say it anyway. The night, got to remember. Hey, you wondering how I got the effects? Well, guess what? I'm using a goddamn I don't even remember what these are called. Laser pointer. So I'm just gonna be pointing it directly at the camera to make it more effect. Hey, peace out, y'all.
Hey, what color did you get?